Good morning, dear pupils. Our lesson today is Weather and Nature. Winter holidays are over, and we start to talk about weather and nature. So, your first step is to work with new phrases and words. Відкрийте словники та запишіть. Open your vocabularies and write down. Forecast – прогноз погоди. Weather report – прогноз погоди. What's the forecast for tomorrow? Який прогноз на завтра? What's the forecast for the next 2 days? Який прогноз на наступні 2 дні? What is the weather like today? Яка погода сьогодні? Додатково запишіть. Write down some more phrases and words. It is getting cold, frosty. Стає холодно, морозно. It becomes cloudy or warm. Стає хмарно або тепло. It looks like snow or rain. Схоже на сніг або дощ. Temperature. Температура. Above, below zero. Вище, нижче нуля. Here you can see some pictures which can be very useful and helpful for your speaking. Now read the dialogue and complete the gaps. Доповніть інформацію за картинками. What is the weather like today? It is getting What is the temperature outdoors? It's The sky is getting dark. Does it look like snow? Yes, it does. What season is described in this dialogue? Yes, you're absolutely right. It is typical winter weather. And we dream about such weather. Now, open your books on page 99-100, exercise 3. Read and match the postcards. After reading, find some adjectives to the word weather. For example, наприклад, nice weather, great weather, wonderful weather, awful weather, and so on and so forth. 1. Dear Granny, September in the Crimea is great. It's wonderful weather here, warm and sunny. The sky is blue and clear. We went swimming yesterday. I saw many jellyfish. They are lovely. Love, Jean. 2. Hi, Alex. I'm in the Crimea. The weather is awful. There was a storm with thunder and lightning yesterday. I can't see what the place is like. It is so foggy. We don't swim and stay in the tent most of the time. I can't wait to get home. Yours, Steve. 3. Hi, Anne. We are in Egypt. It is so different from home. We went to the desert yesterday. There it's too hot during the day, over 50 degrees above zero, and it is freezing at night. There are no flowers, grass, or green leaves. There is only sand everywhere. We have taken lots of photos. I hope you'll enjoy them. Yours, Mom and Dad. Your homework is exercise for page 100. You have to do it in a written form. And task number 2 is to make your own dialogue about winter weather. Складіть свій діалог про зимову погоду. Good luck and see you soon, my dear children. Bye.